Good morning, friends. It is the top of the hour. Welcome to the week of January the 27th, and welcome back to our latest session of Leaders Weekly. It's our weekly conversation about real estate sales and your success. I'm Chris McGatt. I am the other Chris, and I head up the coaching division right here at Leaders Edge. Oh my gosh, we have got a great show in store for you today. And of course, we do have that live Q&A coming up at the bottom of the hour. Now, every week, we curate the content and stream live to make sure that we're bringing you topics that are not only timely, but also relevant for your business. As you know, each week we focus on one of four different areas. It's either going to be lead generation to help you grow your client base, sales skills to close more deals, inspiration to stay motivated and focused, or it's going to be about business structure, looking at ways of being able to work more effectively and more efficiently in order to reach your goals. So let's get on to today's topic, dominating your market with Colton Howard's expert marketing tips. Oh my gosh, I love these. Listen, this is the perfect time of year to take a fresh look at your marketing presence. If you're ready to move your business to the next higher level, then you have come to the right session. This session today is we're going to be joined by, quite frankly, a marketing guru, Colton Howard, as we explore innovative strategies on how to excel in digital and in email marketing, as well as some great tips on how to get the most out of your website. The conversation is designed to help you drive more engagement and attract new clients. So whether you're new to the business or a seasoned professional, you'll be able to implement these ideas immediately to improve your income, but also to improve the quality of your life. Now, as usual, we're going to be leaving time at the end of the session for individual questions. So tee those questions up right now. Take full advantage of that. Now, Chris Leader is on a plane today, flying across Canada somewhere, and he sends his very, very best. And now, of course, he'll be back with us next week for the much-awaited 30 Under 30 national panel that's going on next week on the 3rd. So look forward to that. So listen, let's get on to today's session. Recognized by CIO Review as a top 10 Google marketing expert in 2023, Colton Howard, the founder and CEO of Power Marketing Company, a full-scale digital marketing agency based in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, specializes in supporting individual real estate agents as well as Fortune 100 enterprises, not only with their digital marketing solutions, but helping them out in so many ways, helping them grow their business and enhance client engagement. Colton has spearheaded tens of thousands of high-performing social and search advertising campaigns that deliver measurable growth. His expertise is rooted in paid advertising and data-driven strategies. His philosophy is actually quite simple. Modern marketing success depends on turning data into actionable insights. By leveraging performance metrics and attribution, Colton can ensure that every campaign and project is tied to tangible business outcomes. For him, it is all about providing impact and scalable results and maximizing your financial return. Now, passionate about helping businesses thrive in today's fast-evolving digital landscape, Colton leads with integrity, data, and a relentless focus on delivering value. Colton, it is so great to see you. Thank you so much for joining us today, breaking away from your usual busy day and sharing some insights with all of us in our business.